Hello everyone, hope you're alright. In today's video I'm going to plant this kiwi vine in this big plastic pot I have got here in my backyard. I ordered this kiwi plant last month online. It was the part of that mail order which I did an unboxing video. I have got that video on my channel. If you haven't checked it, I would suggest that you do check that video out. So I have filled this pot with this nice topsoil, and I'm going to add some multi-purpose compost to it as well. I had the plans to plant this in the ground, but it needs a sheltered sunny spot by a wall which is south facing, and I can't really find out a wall that is south facing and I could plant this in the ground. So I thought I would rather plant it in the plastic pot. This is self-fertile semi-dwarf variety, so it doesn't grow too high and tall. It grows like 2 meters wide and tall, and I will put a trellis here in the pot and I will train it around that trellis. So this is Kiwi Arguta Issai, which is self-fertile miniature kiwi tree. It is a more compact variety with a huge cropping potential. It is winter hardy and it produces very tasty fruit with a smooth skin which do not need to be peeled. Plants are very attractive but quite vigorous and should be pruned to keep them in check. So I will keep you updating about the progress of this tree and how I prune it. Today I'm just going to plant it in this container which is quite big. It is 55 centimeter diameter and it has at least 50 to 60 liters capacity, which is quite good for this sort of plant. So I have filled it with topsoil. That's good quality topsoil, and I will add some compost as well, which is organic matter, and it will help the plant to grow nicely. I will also include some fertilizer to get it going. So I have placed it here in the middle and it has got some nice roots going on. It came in a 7 centimeter deep nursery pot and I have taken it out from its pot, and you can see it has got nice long roots here. I have put it in the middle and now I'm going to put compost around it. So it's all done now. I'm making sure that it's nicely packed in here. There are no air pockets and it's nice and loose. There are no big lumps in it. Now I'm going to add some fertilizer, which is good for shrubs and acid loving plants. It has sequestered iron in it, which helps the plant to grow nicely. It has got 10% nitrogen, which is good for the growth of leaves, 7.5% phosphorus, which is good for the growth of roots, and 10.2% potassium, which is good for the overall immunity and fruiting and flowering of the plant. So I hope this fertilizer will get this plant going nicely in this container. So I'm going to roughly add the fertilizer in this container as per instructions. They say like 1 handful per square meter, and I'm going to work the fertilizer in the soil, which is compost plus topsoil, and after that I need to water the plant really well. So after planting, it's important to water your plants really well, so keep them happy and hydrated. And I will keep watering it for coming days as we are having really nice sunny weather these days, and I hope it grows well for me. As you can see, I have put this round big trellis around this plant. It's 2 meter tall trellis, and I will train this plant around this trellis, and I will also keep its growth in check by pruning it properly, as I don't want to grow it too wild. It produces edible fruit which can be harvested from October to November. However, it can take 3 years to grow fully to its mature size. So if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, as it helps me to make more videos, and click on the bell button so you receive all the notifications. Your opinion matters to us, so please leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.